con los perritos, dándoles la medicina a los gordos.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. How are you?
I'm good. Yeah, I was just down the street, so that's why I was like, I wanted to call you.
Okay. Grandma's there if you wanna go say hello. We're
Yeah, I'll
getting
probably see.
there.
I gotta probably go to the trailer, help my dad in a minute too.
Oh, okay. Whatever you wanna do, baby. But you know that you can always stop by.
No, I know. I just like I said, I wanted to go see you right now, but I didn't know you were. I should have called you before.
No, don't worry, puppy. We were there, but we had to take Chavino to vaccinations.
Well, we're over at we're over at Ernesto's house right now.
I'm
So
just glad that you called me back.
Yeah. It's okay, Papa. If you ever have any free time, let me know, okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
I love you, love you.
I love you, love you.
Okay. You can always go over and make a sandwich at Grandma's. Mm-hmm.
I enjoy sandwiches.
Okay. I
I
love
love
you,
you,
mi
okay?
amor. I love you, love you. Bye.
Bye.
I was gonna tell him we were over on the Lee,
Yeah,
and
but
Lee is like 5 minutes
didn't
away.
you hear what he said? I gotta go to my dad's and help. And I don't know. I don't know
Okay.
anything. Okay, so we have the container to bring the chicken paws tomorrow. Let me just put it on the side of Chacha.
You know what? I think that I think that Chavino just wanted me to cut it down into smaller ones because he ate them.
He ate them all?
I guess so.
He
Yeah.
didn't give it to anybody else?
I don't think he did.
Okay, well, I guess he said it was my vaccination, it was my time. Okay, guys. No, no, no. But they're gonna follow me no matter what. But let me put it on this side and then I can put them back. Okay, guys. I need to put this. Okay. I'll get them right now.
Junior has one.
One what? One bone?
Yeah. That's
Very
good.
good. And that means Chavino likes him a little bit because he lets him have one.
Yep. He went in the little room to eat.